You're touting your sustainability credentials, but are you still giving cheap throwaway gifts to your customers as corporate gifts? Hi, I'm Stevie Lomas, the founder and CEO of the Camel Soap Factory, with over 10 years experience of creating memorable and environmentally friendly corporate gifts. Here's 3 reasons why giving a sustainable gift can make a difference. A recent report from Forbes magazine stated that value attributes such as artisanal, handmade, or sustainable were of more value than your standard business gift. Secondly, it's a great way for your customers and your staff to take steps towards being more environmentally friendly. And finally, it demonstrates in a very practical way that your company values sustainability. At the Camel Soap Factory, we have a wide range of sustainable skin and hair products to meet your corporate gift requirements. Contact us at the email below to find out how we can help you.